Welcome back, East Texas. We are starting out with some video of Corsicana. Now, this little spot here, this mobile home park, actually saw damage from a quick spin-up tornado, which looks like it has arrived just before 11 this morning. It damaged at least 13 mobile homes, blowing the roofs off, as you can see, of several of them. The wind also snapped several trees in the area. Thankfully, at this point, it seems nobody got hurt, and more importantly, that storm system actually weakened quite quickly before it moved into East Texas. Now let's take a close look at First Alert Live Doppler radar, where we still see showers and thunderstorms, and while there was a chance for some gusty winds and even a quick brief tornado in portions of our far western areas, that was this afternoon, and thankfully that died before it could even cross the Trinity. So glad nobody got hurt. Glad the weather mostly behaved in East Texas today. Scattered showers, though, and even a few isolated thunderstorms continue across East Texas as a slow but strong cold front continues to move through East Texas. To the north of this cold front, we're just seeing some light to moderate showers, but still seeing plenty of lightning activity within a few select spots up ahead of that cold front. So getting a closer look at that I-20, I-30 corridor. If you're planning on driving across Highway 80, I-30, or I-20, or any other major roadways, just probably going to see some slick roads. Y'all be safe out there. Thankfully, the rain isn't too heavy at this point in time, but just to the south of that cold front, we're still seeing a few select spots, just like in southern Polk County. Some very heavy rainfall, likely right on top and just to the west of West Livingston, also in portions of Shelby, San Augustine, and Sabine County. So lots more rainfall going on across East Texas today, tonight, and throughout the day tomorrow. So don't think this is all we're dealing with today. Taking a quick look at some rainfall totals on a few reporting sites. 1 inch and a quarter in Athens, 1.16 in Tyler. A few other spots just seeing traces, but don't worry, plenty more, even over 8/10 along I-30. Taking a look at some totals from our weather watchers. Milt Price of Emerald Bay called in 1.45 inches of rain at his spot. We were at just over 1.25 inches in Hideaway Lake. Sorry, not Hideaway Lake, Hideaway. 8700s in Pittsburgh, just a 10th in Oak Flat and Treywick, and just traces in Beelot and in Crockett. It's pretty easy to see where that cold front is, as we're sitting at 45 for Canton and Mineola, 50 in Henderson, 56 in Nacogdoches, but still 65 in Lufkin, still 71 right now in Jasper. Now, behind that cold front, temperatures will likely stay in the upper 40s to near 50 degrees overnight tonight, thanks to the cloud cover and those likely rain chances. And we'll deal with the likely rain chances, of course, over the next 12 to 15 hours or so, which is why we still have these flash flood watches in effect for the majority of East Texas. We're also seeing an increasing threat for severe weather in southwestern portions of East Texas. You'll notice a slight to enhanced threats there. That is mainly due to the possibility of some strong storms developing, some damaging wind gusts, some quarter-sized hail, and yes, even that isolated tornado threat. So let me give you a little walkthrough here in timeline-wise. That cold front moving down south into deep East Texas before stalling out. During this time, we're just talking about scattered showers overnight tonight, at times a few rumbles of thunder, and at times a few areas potentially seeing some more moderate to heavier rainfall. But once you start getting closer around lunchtime on Thursday, our major weather system starting to get a little closer to our southwestern counties. That's going to start to give it a little better juice and energy to some of these showers and thunderstorms developing in deep East Texas. So from 12 p.m. until around 4 p.m., we're going to see these strong to potentially severe thunderstorms develop and advance out to the east. We'll be watching these systems very closely. Y'all just continue to remain weather alert. For the northern portions of East Texas, we're really just talking about scattered showers, maybe a few isolated thunder showers. This major weather system finally advancing off to the north, pushing out the last of our rain by around midnight New Year's Day. So right around 12/01/2021, a few sprinkles along I-30, things quickly drying out, but we'll start out on a bit on the cloudy side across East Texas. Quick look at estimated rainfall totals, looking to range anywhere from around 2 to 4 inches. Localized areas could see more, so again, be careful on those roadways. Don't try to drive through any floodwaters. 7-day forecast showing a pretty active first couple of days, dry conditions and even above average temperatures starting Monday of next week. Let's give away a universal phone charger